Hi everyone, it's me again, and I want to talk to you about Farcical Life Part 2 and whether it's appropriate for you and what it involves. So firstly, Farcical Life Part 2 runs in exactly the same format as Farcical Life Part 1. It runs over 4 days, 3 hours a day live workshop, and then you get 21 days of follow-up emails for me to give you a little bit of a poke to go, hey, remember what you learned? So I would recommend waiting about 3 or 4 weeks after Farcical Life Part 1 before you engage with Farcical Life Part 2. Secondly, if you are still getting over your survival mode hangover, so for example, if you feel like you need more time alone, or if you need to focus on you a bit more and allow yourself to be a bit more, please wait, don't engage yet with Farcical Life Part 2. And here's the reason. Farcical Life Part 2 is really where we start to work with your doing. We start to understand what actually creates momentum in doing. And it's a little bit of an emotional roller coaster because we start to understand how to work with emotional energy. So, very clearly, if you are still doing survival mode, if you're still wanting time to be, if you're not yet ready to launch forward and share yourself with the world again, this is not for you yet. If you are, and you are kind of itching to get going, itching to get moving, deciding that you're ready to launch yourself forth into the world, then this is definitely for you. And we are going to learn to use polarity. We are going to learn to use emotional polarity and all other types of polarity that exist in our lives. And we're going to learn how we can actually use that to create motivation, to create desire, most importantly, to inject our lives with energy and create momentum. Okay, so I'm excited. I look forward to seeing you, and I hope you're going to come and join me on Farcical Life Part 2.